Hi, Bob. Hello, everyone. I'm Bristle, the clean as a whistle cleaning machine. Thanks. I've got squirters, too. Look.
Ooh.
Thanks. I've got squirters, too. Look. Oh, you're a muddy machine, aren't you? I can see I'll have my work cut out for me. You can rely on me. I'll soon have it clean as a whistle. Spick and span. Spick and span. That's the way to do it, Birdie. Make it clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. That's wonderful. Wendy, but what about me? Can't I help?